FundedNext versus Funding Pips versus FTMO. Let's get started. So FundedNext is a modern prop firm offering up to $4 million scaling with both evaluation and instant funding models and up to 90% profit split. Funding Pips, on the other hand, is a newer firm known for simple rules and fast scaling, often seen as a clean alternative to other aggressive prop firms. And FTMO is one of the most reputable and established prop firms globally, with a solid track record, clear rules, and a strong trader community. Now let's talk about their pros. So FundedNext offers up to 90% profit split. They also have three funding models, which is the Evaluation, Express, and Stellar. They also have high leverage, with up to 1 by 100, and they do daily payout options for some models. They also offer crypto, forex, indices, and many more. Now, Funding Pips, on the other hand, offers a simple rule, no time limit on the challenge. They also have no minimum trading days. You can also have payout after the first 14 days, and they have instant funding options available with competitive pricing versus the others. The only downside is it's still newer, which has a less track record than FTMO. And lastly, we have is FTMO. So FTMO offers established reputation over the 10 years in the game. They also have clear rules and robust platform stability. They have a daily loss and max loss are fixed and transparent. And they do pay out as well after 14 days, and they have an 80% profit split. So in conclusion, Funded Next is best if you want flexible mix of funding models. And Funding Pips is best if you want easy rolls, low stress and faster payouts. And FTMO is the best for trust, long-term legitimacy, and you're ready to play with by the book.